Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Manasi, how excited are you to host an event that is constituted by men for women?
See, it's wonderful. I think men and women are like yin and yang. We always go together. So I like the fact that Karan has started this, foundation that he's got and this award that he gives out every year to different women. It's just wonderful, and I'm very happy and proud to be a part of this.
A line on women empowerment, since that is what it is all about.
You know, I don't feel the need to be empowered. I am empowered. I'm strongly of the belief that women do not need anybody to give them power. We come with this inherent power, this Shakti, the Stri Shakti, the Nari Shakti, and I don't need anybody to give me anything. I'm powerful.
You are part of the TV industry and theatre industry. What is how the situation have changed and how the women are given opportunities and seen in the industry?
Right now, television is all about women. Actually, television's always been all about women, right from the beginning. At least Indian television, the central focus has always been women. There were very few male-oriented shows in my career as an actor. I have done primarily work where the female was the central lead. So, yeah, I don't think we need any. We are good over there. We are well represented.
Okay, Mansi, how do you feel that many women look up to you and many women are inspired by you? The way you handle all the things, your family, how do you feel?
I am happy if I am able to inspire even one woman. And if you say that I inspire many, then I'm even more happy, because I think that's what all women should do. We inspire each other in various ways. You'll inspire me with something that you do. I'll inspire myself with something. And yeah. Thank you.
Mansi, welcome. How excited are you to host an award function that is constituted by men for women?
वेरी एक्साइटेड. पहले शुरुआत में बताना चाहूँगी कि मेरा नाम मानसी नहीं है, मानसी है. दो अलग मीनिंग्स है शब्द के. मानसी का मतलब होता है आई थिंक प्लीजिंग टू द हार्ट एंड माइंड. मानसी का अर्थ है संपूर्ण नारी. So next time when you call me, please remember it's Manasi. You know, it's always really good to be a part of an event where so many interesting women get together, because बातचीत इतनी वेरीड रहती है, इतने अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स पे बात कर रहे हैं. I was looking at the panel that I'm hosting today. I've got a person with a computer background, a person with a fashion background. I've got a person with social services background. इतने विभिन्न लोग हैं आज पैनल पे. It's always exciting because I always find the more women in a gathering, the more power there is.
Ma'am, what do you think of the foundation, Karan sir, running the foundation for education and
So Karan is a very old friend of mine. मुझे लगता है कि जो भी लोग थोड़ा बहुत नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और फाउंडेशंस के साथ अपना टाइम लगाते हैं, तो दे नीड टू बी अपलॉडेड, कमेंडेड. हालांकि मैं आई एम नॉट दैट. This is my first time with Karan at the foundation, so I've learned a lot about it today with the script. But I think it's a fantastic initiative, and anytime anybody is being honoured for the work that they've been doing, I think it's a step forward in the right direction. It brings people closer together. So all the very best to Karan for his foundation. I think it's a fantastic initiative.
Karan sir, wonderful initiative by you. What has inspired you to start the foundation and do the work?
So, thank you very much all of you all for being here today. I Am Woman is an initiative by the Karan Gupta Education Foundation and iBusiness School. We started the foundation more than 19 years ago, and our work was mainly with underprivileged women and children. Because when we used to go to schools and we used to pay for the children's education, we realized that while parents would always find the funds for the little boys, there were never funds left for the girls. And so we started a whole program and initiative towards women empowerment. Even with the handicapped people that we work with, there's a discrimination between male and female handicapped people. And we wanted to do something for them. So our skill development programs, all of them are for women and of course handicapped men as well. But one of the reasons why we started an I Am Woman empowerment movement is to change the perception and to try to give women more power.
So what are supporters right now at the moment, and what was the challenge you started the foundation and right now what is the challenge you are facing?
I'm sorry, can
What is the challenge you are facing, running the
So,
foundation?
well, the foundation works a lot with women and children from different backgrounds. I think one challenge that we face is to get more people to join as volunteers. We are always looking to make an outreach to a lot more people. We started a self-defense program where we go into the slums and we teach little children how to defend themselves, because after the child rape cases, We wanted to make sure that children are empowered and children have the power to defend themselves. So one challenge that we face is try to get more people excited about our initiative, try to get more people actually involved with us. Thank you. Center. So this year we have a very, very diverse range of women being felicitated and awarded. We have a panel, and the panel is from women in business, women in arts. We have Kisha Gupta, who is the head of learning at Infosys, Deepika Gehani, who is the co-founder of Genesis Luxury. We have Priya Kumar, who's an author, and who else do we have on the business panel? On the business panel, we have, who's the fourth person? Why am I forgetting a fourth person on the business panel? And the most important, we have Nita Lulla, who is a designer and entrepreneur. And then, of course, our chief guest for the evening is Sonali Bendre, a woman who really, really has inspired millions of people around the world, a woman who still is positive, still is a message of hope, courage and strength. We have Dr. Sindhutai Sapkal, a mother who abandoned her own children to be mother to 1,400 orphans. We have a burn survivor who started an NGO just to help others like her. We also have a lawyer who fought the Kathua rape case, and despite having death threats to her life, she still fought for what is right. So these are the kind of women we are awarding tonight. Thank you. Thank you very much.